हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग? वेलकम वंस अगेन टू एमजे's मैथ्स एंड स्टैट्स. दैट्स एमजे मैजिक स्टूडियो टू यू. आई एम योर होस्ट, योर दोस्त, and as usual in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. Today and demand, since Accenture business is like 24/7. They keep on recruiting people 24/7. So this time I'm coming up with a few sample questions, basically puzzles, few number series, coding, decoding, question which you might find similar kind of questions. Obviously, if you are writing Accenture cognitive test section 2, section 3, which relates to abstract reasoning and critical reasoning, question number 18 to question number 50, Accenture on AON platform. Drill is very simple, as you know it. Please pause the session, try to solve it yourself, and then look out for the solution. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it. Itna to banta hai. Help the channel grow. So on this note, let's start now. First few questions are from simple puzzles. Basically, these puzzles are related to allocation or sitting arrangements. I'll give you some time, or you may pause the session. Try to solve it yourself, and then we'll see that what different kind of questions were asked. Here, 5 friends A, B, D, E, and F are sitting in a line facing north. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not necessarily in the same order. B sits at either ends of the row. B can be here, or let us take one more. B can be at the right end also. E sits fourth from the left. Left is this 1, 2, 3, 4. E sits fourth from the left. Done. D sits adjacent to E. So here we can have D sitting here or D sitting here, but in this case, second case, D should be on the left of E only. F sits second to the right of B. Wonderful. Here there is no right of B. That means this is the only case what we were developing. And F sits second to the right. Second F should be at this position. Then D is not here. D is here. We are left with A. So sitting position is B, A, F, E, D from left to right. Now let's see what are the different questions that they have asked or they can ask. So we know that the sitting position that we have found is B, A, F, E, D from left to right. Now first question, who is sitting at the middle of the row? F is sitting at the middle of the row. Who sits to the left of F? A is sitting to the left of F. How many person is or are sitting between B and E? Between B and E we can see there are 2 person. And who is sitting at the right end? At the right end we can see is D, that is in option D. So once you have cracked that code or the arrangement, you can answer any number of questions whatever they ask. Basically they ask 3 to 4 questions related to one sitting arrangement on one puzzle, and that we can answer very quickly in no time. So let's see the next one. Invest time. You can invest 3 to 4 minutes very easily in one particular puzzle. Invest time, try to locate what should be the solution. Then we can answer that in no time. Pause the session, try to solve it yourself. We have got 8 friends R, F, S, K, J, Q, P, N and are sitting around a square table. Facing center, 4 on the corners and 4 on the sides. Okay. So whatever information is given with that, and they work in 2 different companies, K and B, Kelvinator and Bharat. company Kelvinator and company Bharat we have. Two different companies. N is on the side facing south, okay, and R sit adjacent to him. So this is the pattern which we have found out. Q doesn't work in Bharat and sits one place away to the right of P. We have selected P, right here would be Q, J, this is the position for S. J sits adjacent to S, who sits at the corner on the left of N. Bingo, done. These three done. P sits at the corner and is opposite to the one that works in Bharat. That means S is working in Bharat. The person that sits opposite to J works in Kelvinator and sits between people working in Bharat. Okay, so P and R in Bharat. We don't know who are there. We are left with what? F and K. J works in the same company as P. J. Okay. So this is the best solution what I can derive. Here we can have K, F, or here we can have F or K. Okay, let's see what different questions we need to answer. Okay, so 4 questions that follows are these, and this is the solution what we have got. Who is sitting third to the left of J? J towards the center left, 1, 2, 3. Third to the left is P. Who is sitting opposite of N? Opposite of N can be either F or K. That means it cannot be determined. The person sitting opposite to Q, is R. Works in which of the following company? R is working in Bharat. Now, fourth one is if K is sitting opposite J. Now it is given that K is sitting here. That means automatically F is sitting here. Then who is sitting to the left of Q? To the left of Q is F. Option C fits in. So we have invested time in solving. Answers will come very readily. This kind of a box placement puzzle was also very regularly seen on AON platform. So type sum is being shared. Invest your time. Try to identify, take 3 minutes, try to identify the locations, and then we can solve it. You can pause the session. You know all the drills. And please let us know in the comment box whether you are getting it interested, whether when you are writing the exams you are getting these kind of questions or not, so that we are also motivated to bring up new type of question we can share with you and we can practice. 6 boxes MNOQX. Where are these? Here are these. Are placed one above the other but not necessarily in the same order. Each box has a different number of balls. Box X is placed 3 boxes above the box that have got 20 balls. So we have got 20 and 3 boxes above. 1, 2, 3. X should be placed here. Only 2 boxes are placed above O. That means above O are only 2 boxes. That means O should be at the 3rd position. That is fixed. The number of balls in O is equal to the square of the number of boxes placed below X. Okay. Box Z have 12 balls more than O and is placed immediately above box M. That means it should go like Z and then M. Box N is placed immediately below X. We have got this N and has an odd number of balls. Box X has 5 balls less than M. 2 of the boxes have 31 balls and 24 balls, but neither of them is placed at the topmost position. So we have got this above O is, if I placed O here, then ZM, but Z have got 12 balls more than O, then O will have 8 and equals to the number of square. 8 is not a square number. So what we are getting is X, N, O is a third position. Then would be Z, M, Y. Let me put the number of balls now. M is 20. Number of balls in O is below X. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means O is 5 square 25. Z is 12 more, that is 37. 31 and 24 are not at the top most position, and N have got, where is N gone? Odd number of balls. N have got odd number of balls. So out of 31 and 24, 31 is odd. If I give 31, 21, 24 cannot be at the top. 24 is for Y. And how much for X? X has got 5 balls less than M. M has got 20, X has got 50. This is the final placement that can be derived. Please check it once. So we have invested roughly 4 minutes in solving, and we have got 4 questions to follow, which we can answer in no time, obviously. What is the sum of the number of balls in Y and Z? Y and Z is 37 plus 24, that is 61, that we have in option A. How many boxes are placed above the box which have got 20? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes are above the box which have got 20. Option C here. Which box is at the third position from the bottom? 1, 2, 3. Z or Z is at the third position from bottom. Option C. Which box is placed at topmost position? Is box X with 15 balls. We can answer that. The full drill can be completed in 4.5 minutes. That's fine. Okay, one more. This was a bit not that much confusing, but on the difficulty level of this one was higher than the previous 3 what we have solved. It's fine. Invest time, pause the session, try to solve it yourself, and keep practicing. So let's check out the solution. 5 students Q, N, A, K and J are sitting around a circular table. Not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of them is sitting on a chair with different letters A, B, C, D and E. All are facing the center. So with the given data, what we can have? Q sits next to the one sitting on chair B. Here we have Q. B can be on any side. This is chair number B. AA sits second to the left of Q. Chair A is not adjacent to chair E on which A is sitting. This is chair number E. Let me put chair number. And chair A is not adjacent. So here we have already, here these two can be A. Done. K and N sit opposite each other. That means K and N are sitting here. K, N, A, gone. Q and J. Q and J. That means that this seat should be J, but it is not A. J sits adjacent to K. Bingo. Here we have K and here we should have N. Now once again we need the chair numbers. Chair D is between A and B. So it cannot be A, it has to be A. Then chair number D is this between A and B. This becomes chair number C. Bingo, done. This is the arrangement we are looking out for. Now we will look out for the questions to follow. So, questions are there on the screen. Again, the drill, you know the answers all now. K is sitting on which letter chair? K is sitting on A, that is in option B. Who sits on chair D? Q is sitting on chair number D. Which letter chair is opposite to K? Opposite to K is chair number B, that is in option A. And what is the maximum number of people sitting between Q and AA? From here, between Q and AA, where is Q? A is here. We can see one person, and anti-clockwise we can see two people. So maximum people sitting between A and Q is 2. That is in option C. Now the era of missing term. On an AON platform, you will find at least 3 to 4 questions are from find the missing term. So we have collected few of those. You can treat them as simple, helpful, simple questions and solve it. Practice as much as possible. Find the missing term. 23, then 21, then 24. Okay, so 23 plus 1 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. 21 minus 1 is 20, so the next one should be minus 1 again. That is 20 minus 1, that is 19. Yes, that we have in option D. Let's take one more. 32 to 39 is 7. 39 to 48 is 9. 48 to 59 difference is 11. Bingo. 72, 60, 13. 87 is 15. That means difference is increasing by 2. Next difference should be 17. So next number should be 87 plus 17. That is 104. Option C. Find the missing term again. 28, 34 is 6. 34, 44 difference is 10. Then here difference is 14. Bingo. 14 plus 4, 18. Here the difference 18. Then 22. Here difference is increasing by 4. So next difference should be 26. And the next number is 98 plus 26. 124. Option B. Missing number again, increasing, decreasing. Let us see. 41 to 90 is 49. 90 to 83 is minus 7. Then 83 to 119 is 1736. 119 to 113 is minus 6. Bingo. Got the trend. Here 25. 13, 38, yes, 25. So this is 7 square plus 7 square minus 7 plus 6 square minus 6 plus 5 square. Next should be minus 5. 138 minus 5 is 133 is the next number. Yes, that we have in option B. Continuing with the missing terms. 8, 9. These kind of question demand practice. And if you practice more, you can easily visualize like how they are moving. When we cannot find the difference trend, what we try to locate is some relationship. 8 into 1 plus 1 will give 9. Okay. But 9 into 2, no. 9 into 1.5 is 13.5 plus 2 is 15.5. Now 15.5 into 2 would be 31 plus 3, bingo, is 34. 34 into 2.5 is 68 and 17, that is 85. 85 plus 4 is 89, bingo. So it is moving like 8 into 1 plus 1, 9 into 1.5 plus 2, then 15.5 into 2 plus 3, 34 into 2.5 plus 4. So next would be 89 into 3 plus 5. Let's check. 89 into 3, 27, 2, 26 and 5 is 272. So next term should be 272, and yes, that we have in option D. Let's check this one. 10, 12, gap of 2, then 21 is 9, 67, 263. What should come next? Again, I'll, instead of going by the rule of adding and multiplying something, let's see. Into 1 plus 2. Then into 2 will give 24. But 24 minus 3 is 21. So 10 into 1 plus 2 is 12. 12 into 2, 24 minus 3 is 21. Let me follow the trend. 21 into 3 is 63. Plus 4 is 67. Bingo. Setting up. 67 into 4 minus 5. 67 into 4, 28. 268 minus 5 is 263. Bingo. It fits in. That means the next number should be 263 into 5 minus, no, plus 6. Plus minus plus minus plus. 5, 15, 1, 31, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5 plus 6 is 1, 3, 2, 1. Next number should be 1, 3, 2, 1, and that we have in option D. Okay, one more. 19, 21 plus 2, 24 plus 3, 28 plus 4, 37 is plus 9. Bingo, getting the trend. And this would be 16 plus 16. So this is plus 2 plus 3, then plus 2 is square, plus 3 is square, then plus 4 is square. Then this should be plus 9 is square, that is 81. 53 plus 81 would be 134. Next number should be 134. Yes, that we have in option D. Okay, this was a new type of question which I have seen, and I've seen this on each screen where different words they have asked, and we will practice one or two. In an English alphabet series, all the vowels are dropped, A, E, I, O, U, and that the consonants are coded as 1 to 11, that is B, C, D, E dropped, F, G, H, I gone, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U gone, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 6, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5 vowels gone. So now the code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now what is happening after 11? This process continue till Z. Now the next letters after the letter coded 11 will be coded from 1 to 11. So P would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. If a word has a vowel, then the vowel is coded at 0. For example, area is coded at 0, R is 3, 0, 0. What is the sum of the numbers in the word A, P, O, C, A, L, Y, P, S, E? A is 0. Okay. What we have got for P? P is 1, O is 0, C is 2, A is 0, L is 9, Y is 9, P is 1, S is 4, and E is 0 again. We need the sum of these. 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26. So sum is coming to 26. Yes, that we have in option D. Again, one more example. Please pause the session and try to solve it yourself. So this time what we have this word HABITUATED, and they are again looking out for the sum of numbers in the word. So H is 6, A0, B1, I0, T is 5, U is 0, all these are vowels 0, T is 5, E vowel 0, and D is 3. So 13, 14, and 6, 20. Total is 20, that we have in option B. So now next few questions from classification, odd one out. Mark the odd one out, OQ, and I'm very keen on writing these position number 15, Q is 17, and 15 plus 17 is 32, given as 34. M is 13, O is 15, 15, 13 is 28 and given as 28. H is 8 and J is 10, that is 18 and given as 16. D 4, F is 6, that is 10 but given as 12. So here we can see that between given and the actual, the difference is 2. Here the difference is also 2. Here the difference is also 2. But here these two are same. So out of these 4, I'll go for option B, which is the odd one out. Again, one more from classification, AR, A1, R is 18. Now 1 plus 18 is 19, which is matching. E is 5, M is 13, but 5 plus 13 is 18, which is not equals to 15. G, we have 7, and O is 15, that is 22, done. D is 4 and V is 22, that is 26, again done. So the second one is not matching, that means EM15 is the odd one out. Analogies related to profession, doctor uses stethoscope, electrician would be using voltage testers. Similarly, if astrology is related to prediction, archaeology is not with history or kings, it's with monuments. On each screen, this was the question, this type of the question was there. In a certain code, cat is called dog, book is called paper, paper is called pen, and pen is called pencil. We'll move in front direction whenever is called is given. Then which of the following is main component of thin sheet? Main component of thin sheet is paper. Now paper is called what? Paper is called pen. That means we are looking out for pen. Paper is called pen. If you'll ask for a pen, they will give you a paper. Because paper is called pen. Same type of question. Here bus is called balloon, balloon is car, car is leaf, and leaf is called paintings. Then which among the following can be used to feed an animal? We need leaves. And whenever we will go and ask for leaf, leaf is called painting. So if you will ask for leaf, they will give you something, we don't know what, but you need to get leaf and it is known as paintings. So you need to ask for paintings. Ask for paintings, they will give you leaf, because leaf is called paintings. Go for paintings and get the leaf. One more, coding decoding, and it is more of what we can say, eye for detail. Z is coded as @, G is coded as hashtag, I is end symbol, and N is dollar symbol. Then how would you write zing? ZING would be written as @ end dollar hashtag, @ end dollar hashtag, that we have in option D. Okay, I like to end up this session on the hope that you will get similar kind of question. Please do practice and keep on sharing this with whosoever you can. Please do subscribe also. And you will get 1 or 2 questions from data sufficiency if your luck is good. or else we have seen that at least one question was there from data sufficiency on each screen. Please do practice deductive logic also. What is the height of the cylinder? This is a cylinder, we are looking out for the height. Volume is this much. Volume is pi r square h. We know the volume, we know the value of pi, but we don't know the value of r and h. That means one alone is not sufficient enough to give us the answer. Now the area of the cylinder base is decreased by 20% if radius is reduced to half. With help of this, we can find the value of r. Done. So 2 alone is also not sufficient for us to give us the answer. But if I combine both of them, I can get the value of r from statement number 2, which I might use in statement number 1 to get the value of h. That means both statements together can be used to find the height of the cylinder. So option both 1 and 2 together are sufficient to answer, should be selected. Please practice these kind of questions. Do not forget to subscribe. It look cliche like सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए पूछता है, बोलता है, मालूम है आपको करना है, करेंगे नहीं करना है, नहीं करेंगे, बट फिर भी काम है हमारा, हम बोलेंगे. So if you like whatever we are doing, it's all free, it's all on the YouTube. You can visit it and solve any point of time. Please go through Accenture hiring playlist also to dwell deeper into different questions which we have seen from last 2 years are all there. So on this note, do good with yourself, do good at your exam. Best wishes to everyone. And I'm Mohit signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'll see you soon.